Hello everybody, PJr.Studios here. We are playing Dark Souls. We're in the forest, and there's nothing really much to say about that other than we're in the forest. I didn't really get many comments on the last video whenever I asked whether we should go to the forest or Sen's Fortress, but I just decided, since no one wanted to decide, that we'd go into the forest because it's a little bit more fun. I think Ion ran into some trouble. Or did trouble find Ion? Oh snap. Not really much to say other than I haven't recorded in a while because I've been editing and uploading. So it kind of feels good to get back into the setup. And considering this will probably be the thing I upload tomorrow, going to be moving soon, so I'm going to be recording a bit tonight to make sure I'm able to upload hopefully every day throughout the move. Oh, Mr. Crystal Person, you fail at moving.
Hey, how's it going? You suck balls.
Oh, dear God, incoming. Well, Ion's okay. Cast spells from afar. Ow! Honestly, didn't think that hit me. I was gonna tell Ion to stay here, but I guess we're going for it! Did I get it? I think I got it. Oh, I was hoping that I could get that. Did I actually hit it? Yep. I hope I got that thing hit. Because if that annoying, like, one is still there, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because there's just one head that is really difficult to hit. Okay, not all the heads are dead. Get it out. You got this. And that's how you kill Hydra. Woo! Dance around in a circle. Dance around in a circle. Gonna head and grab the knight armor, even though I don't need it. And then we head on over to the Moonlight Butterfly. I do believe... I don't remember what this item is, but I'm still going to grab it. And I'm also going to open the door to the bottom of the watchtower, just because I can. Oh, I can't. I was expecting to be able to open that door and at least open the door, but guess I can't. But anywho, now we are going to go fight the Moonlight Butterfly. My B button still sticks. I hate that. Okay, I'm still behind me. Do-ba-do. Do-ba-do. Ah! My own body, like, almost made me fall off. Oh, walking around. Walking, 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 walking. I know you're fake. I never really used those blood red moss clumps, but I definitely enjoy the purple moss clumps that help me through poisonous areas. Just gonna grab this soul of a nameless soldier. Keep on walking. And for those of you who are using this as a guide in general and not just for my wisdom of a sage thing, a good tip when you're in the forest, well, one, you don't have to chop down all the things, but that is a hidden wall. And there's a nice bonfire for safety. I don't know if I bought the crest. I did not. I did not buy it. I did not. I did not buy it. I did not. Not worried about that because that's a trap. And now for my favorite enemy to fight, because they're like the really cool ones. Double penetrated. Thrust from a Uchi Katana and Halberd. Let's say, why aren't you popping out of the ground? I slice you. Slice. I slice you. And then slice you. Slice you. Slice you. Slice you. Elite Knight. And now there's multiple enemies up at once. even Ion knows. Back the fuck up. Ooh, grab that. At my face, plants. Your kin are after me. Distract the big guy so I can deal with the owl plant. Woo! I need heals. And grab all the musclums and we're out of here. Actually, wait. Before we completely finish this area, this tree right here. Fake tree. It's a fake tree. It's a fake. Ha. Okay, it's a tree with a life bar. But it hides this secret passageway. And I'm just, you know, showing this off because it's a really good way to extend the episode because it's only been 11 minutes. It's not as this is a small area, okay? It's a very small area. Oh look, another one of those trees. It's moving, so you can obviously tell this one is there. I mean, I'm pretty sure it like turns toward you. And then not disturb. Oh, Ion released the trap. Ion was not scared of the trap. And just kept pummeling away. And that frog just went through the world. Bye! Nice knowing you. Ow! I will cut your tongue. Actually, I won't. I'll let Ion do that while I heal. Grab the soul of a proud knight. Loot the frog for some green blossoms. I don't think Ion has a challenge yet. But we haven't exactly gotten to the tougher parts of the game yet. This is still somewhat of a walk in the park. Somewhat. Okay, the forest is a complete walk in the park. It's basically a walk. It's basically a nature walk. I am samurai. I don't think I will be ready to see this. Geronimo! Fuck! No! Yeah, I wasn't even ready to see that. Damn it. Ah, we were right there, ready to go to the freaking Moonlight Butterfly. It would have been literally right down the walkway. Oh, I'm so stupid. Do I even have any humanity? I don't want to walk around dead. Oh, thank God, I have 11. Oh my God, I'm gonna hear it. Freaking sticky button. That was a great idea. Let's jump off of a. Let's try and make a jump from cliff to cliff using a button that sticks. That was a great idea. So stupid. Oh my God! Wait for Ion summon sign. Damn it! Okay, there it is. That was probably the dumbest mistake I have ever made. It's gonna haunt my dreams. It's gonna haunt my nightmares. Like, why you do that? Why you so stupid? Why did I make myself sound like a douchebag? Alright. Only had the face palm. Yeah. Do I even have... I don't have any, like... Oh, God. I'm gonna hear that. I'm gonna hear about that later. I just know it. Okay. No! No, no, no! Did you... Okay. Almost fell off the edge. Not worth the item. Whew. My recovery's up there. It's up there. My recovery, it's up there. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck. Well, this is going to be interesting. Alan's probably gonna be thinking to herself like, alright, let's just go to the Moonlight Butterfly, and then I'm just like, oh no, let's go this way, back to where we went, and where I died, because what kind of moron am I? I'm never gonna be able to, and that frog body went through the floor. I was thinking about turning back and looting it, but fell through the floor. Thanks, game. Oh, Dark Souls 2 isn't like that. Probably is, but I guess it makes it kind of funny, like, oh, well, it makes it funny unless you want the item that they drop. I mean, I've had that moment before with, like, a rat, which they dropped humanity. I went to grab the humanity, and it fell through the world, like that frog did. Luckily for me, it was the very beginning of the world, which is right next to Firelink, and the floor it fell through leads down to a previous spot where I was fighting enemies. So it wasn't that bad. I'm not doing that again. Why risk it? Ragdoll the body, ragdoll the body. The body's coming with me. Come with me, giant. Let's have an adventure. God, ragdoll physics, go. Oh my god. Alright, time to leave the giant. You know, before I started my YouTube stuff, I've noticed almost everyone that does like 600 what? Okay. We don't have to do anything with him. Ooh, wait, where is it? There it is. My, weapon standards call for spears. I don't know if I have any spears right now, but the partisan is a part of my weapon arsenal. So, I need it. Like, it's just me or just... It looked like frickin' someone just took a chunk out of that mountain. Like, you could get up there. It really looks like you could. Someone, explain this. explain why it looks like I'm able to get up there. That looks like a walkable ledge. Why does it look like that? Oh, hi. Just randomly stand up. That giant got thrusted up the butt by Ion. Normally I say the witch Beatrice is useless, but whenever it comes to the Moonlight Butterfly, she actually does a lot of damage. Yes, I'm bowing to an NPC, and yes, Ion waved to an NPC, but do we care? No. Now, I suggest summoning her for the Moonlight Butterfly, because it'll go down like the snap of a finger. But, don't summon her for the 4 Kings. Find 2 competent players. I honestly would not suggest going at the 4 Kings, like, by yourself. But, if you look up there, where I have been facing the camera this whole time, is the Moonlight Butterfly. Yes, Ion, point to the Moonlight Butterfly. How do I can't point right now. There's a message under my feet. But yes, up there. It's the Moonlight Butterfly.
So pretty and majestic. Till it comes down and starts munging on your face. I can't see. Hello.
I'm going to use my spells for you. Oh dear God, I haven't seen that move in a while. I see how you're gonna be. I've got the foos. Oh, I need to handle my life better. Go for it. Go. Witch Beatrice! No! You're taking a valuable time! Try these ones. Do these ones do more damage? Not much. Woo! Okay, the Witch Beatrice is being as much of a done move as she normally is. Oh, that death almost actually got me killed. You are still useless. Normally she doesn't take any damage and does, like, so much damage that it's uncanny. That time, she just proved to be as useless as I told you she was. But life goes on. Dark Souls goes on. We don't have to worry about her ever again. Ooh, cool chill. Oh, look at that gorgeous view of basically nothing. Look at that. Okay, that's just an ugly view. What about that view? Can I see a good view out here? Hello, moon. Oh, my phone going off. It's freaking headphones, man. Anyway, good item, where'd it go? Homeward Bone. Saves so much time running around. You guys have already seen the area, so we don't need to do anything, just Homeward Bone. But, my phone going off. Alan was asking, how was it hitting you? From my perspective, it was completely missing. Well, easily to answer. I don't know. Perspectives are weird in the Souls games, so I can't really answer that question, honestly. Now, another thing I asked about in my last video that can't be answered, is would people like to see what it's like from Ion's perspective? Or what it would be like to play in Ion's world? Well, we're gonna do that anyway. She's probably running all the way back. Oh, okay. I remember how that looks in the game. Okay. When you're a person like being summoned into the world instead of a person like hosting the world, the Moonlight Butterfly fight looks completely different. For us, we saw the shots were obvious, but for Ion, it looked like they were going completely overhead, like completely out of the way. Not we'll be able to see once we get summoned. There you go. Just gotta wait. This would be a good time to just like talk, I guess. Not really much to talk about other than basically where we're going in story-wise and what we're going to be, what's planned for tonight at least. We're obviously doing the forest. You guys can see that. I also plan to at least get Sense Fortress, which might end up being 2 episodes depending on how that goes. If it goes smoothly, it'll be 1 episode and then we'll get some of on Orlando. If it doesn't go smoothly, it'll be 2 episodes and we'll probably move on to the next series from there. But after I record some of Dark Souls, I'll be getting some more Smite out because I really liked recording that game. I think I just got the 2nd episode of that uploaded today. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I also got I'm not sure about doing Far Cry 4. I still gotta figure out how to like chop that up. And I also got another secondary content marked, basically another copyright thing on my Far Cry video. The other ones were in Batman, but this time it was Far Cry because of the music in there, so I'm gonna have to turn the music off if I ever plan on doing that again. Why did I just take off my thing? I wanted to do that. Yeah, bow. Alright, and now we follow the tank. This is now your game. Lead on. Another thing, like, unless the person isn't, like, moving or is, like, expecting you to go first because they're a background character, normally let the host guide you because they know what they want to do. Normally, when you get summoned into a game, it's because someone needs help. It's not so you can, like, take over and be like, oh, you gotta do this, you gotta do this. Unless they knew. But there's no communication, so you can never tell. So just be courteous. Always be courteous. Got 27,000 souls right now. 27,000! What you doing? I can't see what you're doing. I can't tell what you're doing. I can't read your mind. I could totally jump on this, though. But, another thing I might end up doing is, splitting Ion's world from my world if I do end up doing her world. as recordings. That way, it becomes my world one episode, her world the next. And hopefully, eventually, after the move, we could get a series, like get a couple episodes with pyromatics. One can hope. There are 2 of them down there.
Let me fix that.
Does like no damage. Maybe the heavy cigar does more. That stack though. Run for it. Ion. Looks like I'm playing here. To completely own. Okay, I'm gonna do what I did last time. I'm gonna handle the annoying head. Is by standing in the right place whenever it strikes. That was not the— What? Oh no. Okay, you wanna fight me, you fight me. Leave the Hydra time. Ion! Okay. Worry about me, Ion. Just handle the Hydra. I know you can't hear me, but still. I can even get my way around the golem too. Wait a second, do I have a bow? Because if I have a bow, I can help out with this fight better. No. Shoot. Let's say if I did, I could deal with that annoying head better. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Missed. Use a soul arrow, that's a bit easier to wield. Is it aiming toward me now? I think so. Part of it. This is good. Hey, that works. No, no, no! That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to make it wheel. Oh dear. Went back to that. And the Hydra has no heads left. Thank God it's not the Greek version of that mythology, because let's just say if it were the Greek mythology of a Hydra, those heads would grow back twofold. I know the saying is usually tenfold, but last time I checked, it's not 10 heads for every one head knocked off. It's 2 heads for every one head knocked off. Unless you burned it, but I'm not a pyromancer. I'm definitely not a pyromancer. Oh yeah, it'll be uploaded tomorrow, but I'm gonna state this now. I'm kind of bummed out, like, the last time I recorded. I lost some Diablo 3 footage. It's all in the, Diablo explanation, but, I did lose some Diablo 3, so long story short, we're in Act 2 on that, but... yeah. Still irks me. But you live and you learn. Badu. Badu, what time? Badu, doop, doop, doop. Hi, Mr. Plant Person. How about I just kick you? Or I can kill you. Oh, I can see through the map. Oh, I was able to see through the map. Oh, I'm leading again, aren't I? Onward, my trusty friend. Begin the battle with vim and vigor. I'm not sure what those two words mean. Just hear it a lot when referencing battles. But this definitely makes up for the usual time it takes to do everything, because I think Lower Undead Berg and everywhere else took like 45 minutes to do? I think? Or no, I think it was like 15 minutes. Or half an hour. I'm not sure. Yeah, let me show you the incorrection of coming in to this place. This is why you don't come into this place. It's nothing but a death trap. Take your prize. Not prize, I didn't grab because traps. Traps, 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 traps. Now I see where Ion wishes to go. Basically wishes to get all the items. Which is only fair. Why is there no giant here? That one fell through the floor. Shadoop. Shadoop. Ow. Leg pointing. It's gonna be funny. It's like Ion probably thinks I'm like this way, and whenever she actually watches this video, it's going to be a leg pointing. It'll be funny. For me, that was just walking. Therefore, I was able to hit it. You can make that jump. I don't think she notices me staring at this chasm, and I know I can make. I think she noticed now. Oh hey, that's a odd, I guess you could say. Soul's number 32322. It's like patterns. Now onward to the Moonlight Butterfly, and then to finish the episode, and then on to Sense Fortress, which will probably take longer because reasons I'm not spoiling. I am Hanzo Hasashi. Hear me. Hiya. Hiya. Dragging the body along. But yeah, now you guys will get to see the perspective Ion was meaning with this fight. I'm just gonna stand up here and stare at the butterfly. Just stare at the butterfly. Beatrice! Alright, now people will get to see what Ion meant by it was completely missing. Oh wow, it's flopping sides so soon. Now watch it completely go out off into space. Okay, that's still, see, the stuff goes out into space, well, at least in our perspective, but in Ion's perspective, going out of space, because we all remember how that went for us. What's it doing? I'm not hitting it. Let me just get to the heavy. I don't have the Great Heavy yet, but I'm probably gonna buy that before going into Sense Fortress. I win. How did you get knocked down? Bye. Bye, Beatrice, you useless second. Never mind. I'm not going to finish that. Okay, yes I am. You used a sack of crap. Now, I'm going to end this here. I'm going to go back to Griggs of Vinheim that we all rescued for spells for the Wisdom of a Sage guide. And I'm going to buy some spells off him. There's not really much of needing to see it, because you guys can, like, it's not really a need. You just buy from him the spells that he has. You get my point. But I'm gonna end this here. I'm going to buy spouse, meet Ion at Sense Fortress, get everything set up for the next episode, and I will see you guys next time.